Hello, Habibi here. In this video tutorial, I'm going to start my new tutorial series in Unity game development. This time I'm going to cover about how to create a virtual 3D or 3D virtual tour game with Unity 3D. Okay, let's get started by creating a new project. Here I'm using a Unity 2018 version. Here is the project windows, and I start by clicking this new button. Let's name the project 3D Virtual Tour, and let's disable this, enable Unity Analytics, and click Create Project. Because it is a virtual tour game, so we need something, we need a place or area or environment that we are going to tour around it. In this case, I'm going to go to an asset store. Let's find some asset. Maybe this one is good. Polygon City Pack. Let's open it. Okay, I decide to download this asset. Click import, and select all the items, then click import. Let's go back to scene. Open this folder 1 and circles. Here we see a demo scene. Let's open and try it. Play the game. Alright. Let me Okay, I don't know what to do with this demo scene. Let's close it. Here is prefabs folder. You can see grass, oh, fences, demo, material, textures, buildings. Okay, let's play around with this demo scene. I'm going to look around what is here. What do we have here? We have buildings, grass, and all of them. Okay, so here is the city pack we have downloaded. We have trees. We are going to use this demo scene for our game. So basically there are prefabs objects. All objects are here with a camera and some canvas element. This canvas element is that text, the text that we have read earlier. Yeah, that is the text. Let's delete this canvas. How to delete it? Right click and click delete. Maybe also we can delete this event system. And here is our main camera. Okay, what to do next? Next thing I'm going to do is to import a character controller. We don't have it here, so we are going to go to asset store for another time for downloading Unity standard assets. Where is it? Let me just find standard as this one. By using these standard assets, we can add a character controller here in the game. So we can place a human character and we can attach the camera into the player and we can walk around in the scene. So let's go download this asset. Let's wait until the downloading process completed. Now we click import button, click it again. Here we need to select what we need to import. Let me uncheck these two and open the standard assets. Characters, open it. In this tutorial, I'm going to use this first person character. I'm going to click to check this folder and click import, but before that I need to make sure that yeah, I need this one too, cross platform input. Maybe this one. I don't know do I need it or not, but let me just click it. Okay, next environment, I don't need them. Font. Okay, let's do import it. Let's go to the scene. There is an error. Unity does not access Unity standard assets. Script. I think this problem is because we didn't import another required asset. So let's do import it again. Let's find utility folders, uncheck them all first, and then let's find a utility folder. Where is the utility folder? This one. Check this one and click import. Now let's clear the error console, the console log. We go back to the scene and let's find what we have. Let's take a look what we have in the standard assets folder. Here, characters, first person controller, prefabs. Let's go open the prefab folder, and here is the FPS controller prefab. Let me drag and drop this thing into this area. First, let's delete the default camera here. Let me save the scene. Okay, here is our player. Let me move it upward a bit. Here is the player. Here is the character controller and the camera. And let's run the game and test it. You can look around you by moving your you can move around the camera. You can look around you by moving your mouse like this, and I hope we can move the player by pressing WASD keys on the keyboard. Let's move here. Here we can move forward and backward, and you also can hear the footsteps. So it's cool, right? You can go to you can go explore the areas, and I'm a bit stuck here on the grass. Let's stop the game and run it again. not move into the grass. I think it is nice. We can explore this new world. Well, in this example, we are using free assets from Unity Asset Store. You can create your own assets, your own objects and environment, and you can place it here into Unity and you can play around with it to create your own virtual 3D tour. If I press the space button in keyboard, you can jump. It's nice. Let's stop again for a while. There is a big problem, not a big problem. No, not a big problem, but a little problem. The problem is I feel the character here, the player, is too small. Let's zoom into the character. Oops. Here is a door. If you move the character near the door, you can see this character is too small. Maybe it is a dwarf or a child character, but I don't like it. I must make the character bigger. But I think I should not resize this character. Instead of resizing the character, let's resize the entire scene here. How to do that? Let's create an empty object. I rename it environment. Okay. Then I'm going to select all the objects except the character itself and except this ground and light. Then I drag or move them inside this environment. Once I'm done, I'm going to select this environment object and let's do resizing. Let's resize this environment. Here, go to the scale tool and oops, what I've done. Let's press Ctrl Z, Command Z. I'm going to scale it down a bit. Where is the character? Player is here. Let me check. Is it enough or not? If it is a door, then it must be, the character must be bigger. What is this object? Oh. Let's scale down again the environment. More smaller. Reset the position of this environment into the 0, x, y, and z. Sorry. Let's move the environment up. Go to position the character into the center of the scene, and let's check the size. Is it good or now the character is too big? Let me scale it up again. Find a good angle and scale it up. Maybe it's enough. Let's do a check. Move it upward. Reposition the character. Now let's try. The environment is still too small. Let's scale it up. I don't know why it's too small. I scaled it down too much. Okay. Move it upward. Let's try the game to see if the character size is correct. I think the character is still too big. Okay, let's scale it. Let's scale the environment. Scale it up a bit. And move it upward. Make sure all objects are touching the ground. Play it. Yeah, I think it's good. If you don't like it, you can do whatever you want. You can scale the environment up and down as you like. Unfortunately, the environment is not touching the ground, it is floating on the air. we need to move the environment a bit lower. Not a big deal. Okay, let's move the environment downward. Okay, it's good. Save game and play it. Let's go explore the scene. What a nice scene. But as you can see here, we don't have a nice lighting. We can correct it later. So far I'm happy with this. Okay, I will continue this tutorial on my next series, on my next video. And that's all for today. Thank you.